What's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make fast money online right now. So you definitely want to stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how to get that done. All right, now with that being said, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so first things first, I'm going to break down this very simple process, and I need for you to understand this. In order for you to make money fast, you're going to have to sell something, okay? You're going to have to do that, all right? Now that we got that out of the way, I'm going to break this process down, and then I'm going to take you over to a very popular website that allows you to sell products. Then after that, I'm going to break down the traffic source and show you exactly how you should be using it. All right, so let's get right into it. So the process works like this, very simple. All right, so I'm going to draw a little stick figure right here. Right now, this stick figure is going to represent me, right? So let's just say that I have a problem, right? I'm going to put a P here for problem. Now I'm going to draw an arrow. Okay, I'm going to draw another stick figure. Now this stick figure is going to represent you watching this video right now. So you're going to be the solution. You're going to have the solution for my problem. What is that solution? That's going to be the product, okay? That product is going to be the solution. Now, how are you going to find someone like me that has a very specific problem? Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to clickbank.com. Now, clickbank.com has multiple different niches, and you can literally go into those niches and choose specific products. Now, the type of the niche I'm going to use for this particular video is health and wellness. Okay, so I'm going to go into the health niche, and I'm going to pick out the most highest converting product that they have on here. Now, if you're familiar with ClickBank, the way that you find the highest converting product, I'm going to show you here in a minute. All right, so right here it says health and wellness. I'm going to click on health and wellness. Now, based off of popularity, we can see that flat belly fix is the highest converting product right now, based on popularity. All right, but if you understand how I use ClickBank, I go for the gravity because I want the highest converting and the one that's making people money right now. So boom, I'm going to go right here to click and sort by gravity. And boom, still flat belly fix is still the highest converting right now based off of gravity as well. So what I'm going to do at this point is, since I know that this is based off of losing belly fat, right? Because people, it pretty much says it in the product. So since I know that, I'm now going to go over to the traffic source that we're going to use, which is twitter.com, right? Now, if you're not familiar with how Twitter works, you're literally gonna this is literally gonna help you just understand how you can you can find clients, right? You can find people to sell your products to. You're literally using this very simple method, all right? So here we go. You see this search box over here? What we're literally going to do is we're going to type in phrases based around, remember what our product is, flat belly fix, okay? We're not necessarily going to type the product name in. We're going to type what people would be saying on Twitter that could basically earn you money. Okay, so let's go back over to Twitter. Since we're talking about belly fat, what I would put in here is what somebody would say. So a person would probably say that wants to lose belly fat, I need to lose belly fat, right? So I put that there, and then I hit the enter button and I search. Now, it's going to pull up people's posts or tweets, should I say. It's going to pull their tweets up where people have said these things. Now, what we're looking for is we're looking for pain. Okay, we're looking for pain. Like usually if the pain is just that bad, a person will spend the money. Okay, they will spend the money if the pain is extremely bad. All right, now you can see right off the bat, April 9th, 2018. Now that's pretty old, but we're probably going to find some that are pretty current as well. Now I need to lose all this belly fat and make my booty fat. All right, so yes, as you can see, that person wants to lose belly fat. All right, so let's keep going down. All right, so most of these are looking like they're all from 2018. This one says June 20th, right? So pretty recent. I need to find some serious ways to lose this belly fat. All right, so there we go right there. This is a potential lead for you because they literally just said they need to find some serious ways. So that means there's some type of pain attached to this person losing belly fat, right? So this could be a potential lead for you to share that with, not necessarily just go in their inbox and just share your affiliate link. No, talk to them, right? Talk to them, recommend, hey, this helped me, if it actually helped you, right? That's how you reach out to them. You don't just want to share your affiliate link with them, okay? All right, so let's find some more leads. I need to lose some weight. Starts reading articles about, okay, so that's a little bit different. All right, so here we go. I need to lose belly fat at least. Okay, so there you go. They got the sad face. Once again, there's pain attached. Now, of course, that is from 2018, but I just want you to get the concept. If it was a very recent post, as you can see, this is a recent post right here. All my weight went to all the right places except for my stomach. I need to lose this baby fat, beer belly, ASAP, right? And once again, there is the sad face. This is a recent post. There is another lead. Remember what I said? If the pain is bad, right? If the pain is really bad, people will spend the money, right? Just think of this, right? If somebody flushes their toilet and their toilet it's just water everywhere, the only thing that they're thinking about is a plumber. So immediately they're going to call the plumber and they're going to spend the money with the plumber because they don't want all that nasty toilet water on the floor, right? So think of this method as pain. You see pain, you go, you have a conversation with them, you make a connection, and then you recommend the product. Okay, that's pretty much what you're going to be doing. And you can do that with any of these products here on ClickBank. Okay, just think about what they would say if they were looking for something. So like if it was business, right? I may say, I need leads, or I need more leads, right? If it's somebody who wants to stop snoring and there's a snoring product, how do I stop snoring? Or I need to stop snoring, right? These are just examples to help you literally find targeted people instantly, because it didn't take me a very long time to just type in this type of phrase that you see right here, right? All right, so let's try to do another one, see what we can come up with. All right, so here we go. Let's see what else we can find. Hopefully I can find something else. Let's go to home and garden. I don't really like those as much. Let's see here, guys. If anything, I just wanted you guys to get the concept for the most part. I'm just trying to see if I can find something else that I can help. Let's just go back to Twitter. All right, so I need to lose belly fat. That's one way that you can put it. Now, if the product is not, let's say it wasn't focused on belly fat. Let's say, for instance, a person says, I need to lose weight in my thighs, right? Let's just say it was focused on that. Then you could just literally do the exact same thing. So I need to, I want to, how do I do this, right? And in a way, it's similar to like sites like Quora, where it's like question and answer based, but people tweet like in the minutes, like every second, right? So let's just go back to the home page. All right, I'm gonna hit see new tweets. Now we're just gonna wait just here, and we won't wait a long time, but I just want you to see how quickly people are making new tweets. All right, so already, boom, show more already. All right, so let's go back to the home page, and I want to show you people are constantly tweeting every second. So people can be making these type of tweets pretty much all day, right? It's happening all over the world, right? There's so many people that are using Twitter right now, and you can literally have leads right there, just like that. And then once you see them make that tweet, you can literally reach out, have a real conversation. Don't just share your link, because they're going to look at the link, and what do you think they're going to do? They're not going to buy from your link, right? You have to build a connection with them, let them know that you actually care. And if you've actually tried something and it worked, all you're really doing is just playing the recommending game. That's really it. That's all you're really going to be doing. And that's how you're literally going to make fast money online. You have to sell something. Okay? And then once you have your product, right? Once you have your product, you know that they have a problem, you reach out, you have that conversation, build a connection, build rapport, and then recommend a product that has possibly worked for you. I would always recommend that if you're sharing something, especially when it comes to weight loss, make sure it has at least helped you, or maybe you know someone that has used it and it helped them, and then you could share that with them, and then that's going to make it a whole lot better for you. All right, now hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful, and also let me know down below in the comments if you're going to actually implement this and start getting yourself some instant leads, because it literally didn't take me any time at all. All right, so with that being said, like I said, if you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.